Hello and welcome to the $10 Den channel. My name is Lana Green and this channel is all about reselling. Today I thought we would do a little video about my tips for getting 5-star reviews, which mostly has to do with your packaging. So if you want to stick around and see how I ship out my packages. And the first thing is this Tommy Hilfiger fit and flare dress in a size 2XL. This, when I was taking pictures of it, I noticed that it had two of the tiniest little holes that you ever did see. And so instead of posting this for $10, which I think I did that as well anyway, but I went ahead and posted this on eBay starting as an auction. So this sold for $6.30. Since it was on eBay, since it's shipping first class, I cannot use the free boxes from USPS. So what I'll do, I'm gonna I've got it folded and I've just steamed it because in my listings I say that all items are either steam cleaned or washed before sending and listed with tags. And if I can't remember specifically steaming the item or washing it, then I'll go ahead and give it a steam before sending it out. And also it helps take care of any wrinkles from storage so that when they receive it, it looks good too. So there it is in the plastic bag, and I kind of have to fold this over. I've got these poly mailers that say, that's upside down, these thank you poly mailers that I got off Amazon, and I think that they were $13 for 100 of them. Yeah, they're 10 by 13. I used to get the ones that had the double adhesive part so you could reuse it. I really liked those, but they stopped selling those, the ones that I was buying. I've already printed my shipping labels, so I'll look at the shipping label to see the name. These little thank you notes, I just get cardstock, the big cardstock pads, paper pads at Hobby Lobby. This was actually on sale, clearance there, one day for like $4 for, I think it was like 100 sheets, something crazy. So these are cute. They have little whales on them, but I made this little template in Silhouette Studio of just a circle, and it's got two little circles here so that when I'm done, I can, like I said, I'm out of tissue paper, so I won't wrap this one around, but I'll do it in the next one because I'm going to use some leftover gift wrap, but that's what that looks like. These are, I think I made them to be 3 by 3. So I'll write that note real quick. I just say, thank you so much, comma, and then their name, and I have been saying Merry Christmas, but now I'll say Happy New Year. And then a little dash with my name next to it. So this just gives it a really personal touch. I don't do like free gifts and stuff with my items because my stuff is only $10 a piece, but I feel like that's something unique that I can add as a little extra. And peel that off, get that as straight as I can. Okay. And I don't even worry about cutting the label out. I just fold the paper in half. And on the poly mailers, I like to use just regular Scotch tape. I think the packing tape, it sticks really well to the poly mailers, and then the packing tape, I feel like just does more harm than good as far as making everything really wrinkly. And I could have taped this on before I stuck the dress in, but I don't usually remember to do that. Plus, with it giving a little, once the item is in the bag, it gives it some more definition. I feel like if I try to put it on beforehand, the tape wrinkles it all up. And so I tape all 4 sides and they get a long piece, and I just kind of lay it over the middle like that. And that one is good to go. This next item that sold was this pair of J. Jill skinny ankle jeans in a size, I believe, 18. Yeah, 18. that sold on Poshmark. So like I said, I'm out of tissue paper. So I'm going to use some leftover gift wrap that I had from Christmas. Let's go that way. Let's see. You're going to see my excellent gift wrapping skills, which don't exist. Let's see. And these again, I steamed before wrapping them up just because they've been in storage and I couldn't remember. This is my least favorite part, is trying to figure out how the ends fold in. So not gonna look great because they're not in a box or anything, but it's something. Normally, like I said, I would use tissue paper, but I do not have any. I had found some on Amazon the last time I ordered it. That was a crazy deal. It was like $6 for 100 sheets, and they were the larger sheets, like 15 by 20. Yeah, 50. Well, they may have been. No, they were rectangle shaped, so they weren't square. But yeah, 15 by 20. So 100 sheets for $6. And I think when you buy it at the Dollar Tree you get like 8 sheets in a pack, which is crazy. Oh, but they do not sell it anymore on Amazon, so I'm gonna have to do a little digging again this time around and see what I can find. But for now, I'll just use the gift wrap that I have left over from Christmas. So write this thank you note, assuming that they get this before the new year. Today is December 27th, so they should. If the post office has been really backed up, obviously, because of the holidays, but maybe now it's gone back to normal. Again, I don't write a book or anything. I just say thank you so much. Have a happy new year. Sign my name. I don't think it takes a lot, but it is, I mean, since it's handwritten, I think that just adds a nice touch. And then I have this ribbon that I'll wrap around here. And so this is why I cut the 2 extra little holes in it. The whales don't super match this wrapping paper, but that's okay. So stick one end up like that. I have the whales, the print facing up. Let me know if you'd be interested in purchasing. I have so much cardstock. I just could do endless little thank you notes like this, but they're just blank notes. If you'd be interested in purchasing like a bunch of these, I can print a bunch, cut a bunch, not print. And then, so then just tie it in a bow. Again, the print is facing up, so the thank you note side is down. I really like tying these around, like wrapping up the item in something and then tying the note on, because I don't know, I'm just afraid that like the ink from the pen that I wrote the note could like leak onto the garment or something, and that'd be terrible. And to get these free boxes from USPS.com under free shipping supplies. Go ahead and put that side. And then this is ready to go in, and here's what it looks like. And I want to put it in just like that so that when she pulls it out, hopefully it will look like this when she gets it out, but you never know with the post office. Almost there. Sometimes these adhesive peeling things don't come off altogether. There we go. All right, so that one And now with the Poshmark ones, they don't print on half the page. They print kind of weird, so you have to fold it a little differently unless you just want to cut the label out, and I do not want to do that. So just fold it like that. And on these boxes, I do use the packing tape. The Scotch tape does not stick to these boxes well at all, or the Tyvek envelopes. So I usually just do like 1, 2, and I had someone tell me that works at the post office that they do not like for you to put tape over the barcode, so I try to avoid that. I guess sometimes the tape wrinkles it and they have a hard time scanning everything. So there's that, and there's that. Sorry, I didn't mean to throw that down like that. But anyway, I think that the main thing in getting 5-star reviews, in your description, make sure that your item is described as accurately as possible. This dress, this Tommy Hilfiger dress, with those two, there was like, it's a button-down dress, and it was above one of the buttons. It had 2 tiny little holes like you would see where they put a tag or something, which I don't know why there would be a tag there, but that's what it looked like. She may have never even noticed that those were there, but I try to be as descriptive as possible, include any flaws that I see, no matter how small. So that is the first thing. And then next, making sure that you're sending your items out clean. You don't want to have any weird smells. A steamer is great for getting out smells, actually. Some people are offended by strong, like, dryer sheet smells or something like that, but I find that a steamer gets things really clean, gets the smell out, and doesn't leave a weird odor or anything that anyone could be offended by. And then adding the thank you note, I think, just adds a really nice personal touch. I know that a lot of people, the bigger sellers especially, probably don't have a lot of time to necessarily write out a thank you note for every single package. I think it's important, especially when you're first starting out, until you get a really large following and a lot of repeat customers and things like that. I think that's really great. And I know that when I've received packages, like ordering things off Etsy, the last thing I ordered, she sent a couple of different little notes, one asking for a review and then another one thanking me for my purchase. And it added a really nice touch. I didn't feel like I was buying something from China or something. So those are my tips. Nice packaging. Of course, is don't go over the top and spend a lot of money on your packaging materials, but I think that having, cute little mailers for stuff that's on eBay or Mercari is good, and then wrapping something in tissue paper, maybe adding a little ribbon if you want to. Those things are really inexpensive. But yeah, and then like I said, you can get the free boxes from USPS.com. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful, and of course, please consider subscribing, and I hope that you will give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks again. Have a great week. Bye.